Today I would like to talk about handlebars and HTML bars and how you need to be a little bit careful in terms of handling of or including spaces and new lines in your templates. So let me just start and show you an example here. So I have a little handlebar here, and as you can see it has some spaces and new lines, and you should be generating your templates for handlebars on the server side. And if you don't know how to do that, you can search my website for that video. And so here I'm going to show you, I'm using a framework called Ember.js, and it applies to any other framework which may be using handlebars or HTML bars or anything that may not even be using any framework. So if you look at the JavaScript generated code here, you can see that it is generating all these new line characters and adding them. And the reason it has to do that because it doesn't really know how to optimize HTML, generated HTML for the spacing rules. So how do you go about fixing that? I have not been able to find out an automated way to do this. So, but basically what I'm going to do here and recommend that you do until you figure out how to do it automatically is to basically in your template just remove the extra spaces that you think are not needed. And I'm just going to run here grunt, which is going to regenerate my HTML bar here, and I'm going to check it, and let's just wait for it to be finished. It's going on, and if you hold on for just a second, it should be all done, and we can look at the generated code again to see if it eliminated some of those new lines and spaces. And so it is all done. So I'm going to my generated file and going to find it, and here you can see that it removed some of those extra new lines and spaces it was doing. So if you want to optimize your code, I would recommend just be mindful of the extra spaces in HTML bars and handlebars. And the videos, you can search for pre-compiling handlebars on server to speed client rendering if you want to know more on my website, Gore Associates. Thank you for watching this short screencast.